Yeah, I am here in Paragon Hall, Bangkok, Thailand. You can see the mall over there, and opposite is the train station. This is the mall. It's beautiful here. Lots of fountains are there. And the hop on hop of elephant tour bus starts from here. The stop is over there. This is the train station. There's a taxi stand here in the main road. The hop on hop of bus is already there, so it's easy way to explore the city. They will take you to all the attractions. So the bus is waiting here. I have to find where the ticket will get. The driver says the ticket is inside here. I have to take the ticket and go. I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. The tickets are here. It's another entrance of the Paragon Mall. So it's the next bus 11:20, it's 11:06 now.